Samsung My Files app update is now available for Galaxy users. This latest update brings 4 useful new features to the My Files app on your Samsung phone, so make sure to install the latest version. With the My Files app, you can easily browse and manage files stored on your phone, SD card, or USB drive. You can also create folders, move, copy, share, compress, and extract files, plus view detailed file information. To check for the update, open the app drawer and tap on Galaxy Store. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Updates. Check if the My Files app update is available, then tap Update. Once the update is installed, open the app drawer and long press the My Files app. Tap the eye icon. Scroll down and tap App Details in Store. Then scroll down to Description. Here you'll see the 4 new features added to the My Files app. 1. Perform up to 5 tasks at the same time, like copying and moving files simultaneously. 2. Restore deleted files from the trash. 3. Connect to cloud storage as well as server storage. 4. While traveling, you'll receive notifications to help free up storage space on your phone. And that's it. Update your Samsung My Files app and enjoy these new features on your Samsung Galaxy device. Thanks for watching.